What if every employee had their own personal productivity coach? Powered by data and AI. I'm Carrie-Ann from Blue Qubit Consulting, and today we're looking at one of ActivTrak's most powerful feature, AI coaching and personal insights. Helping individuals understand their work patterns and take control of their productivity. Managers can guide teams, but lasting productivity happens when individuals see their own habits and improve them. That's where ActivTrak AI recommendation comes in. First, we will take a look at the Personal Insights dashboard, where employees can view their own patterns to see their screen time for the day, their productivity hours, a snapshot of a 7 days out productivity span, their weekly average, their top applications, time breakdown, focused versus collaboration, and multitasking per hour of each day, and also what their work habits look like, from efficiency, utilization, how many days they were healthy, overutilized, underutilized, when their average start date versus their end of day hours look like, all in a span of 7 days. They can also go ahead to see their technology use. This includes the categories, applications, and websites that they use on that 7-day time span. How many percentages are allocated? Was there any change from the week before? All of these insights empower employees to take productivity into their own hands. They can get the data in simple form, analyze it, and know where to improve. See if they're trending consistently or if they've had any dips in their productivity. But it doesn't stop there. ActivTrak has a bonus feature, which is a personal AI coach that gives recommendations based on the data. It can be done for teams where you can see productivity decline, high utilization, low efficiency, low focus, high passive time. Not sure if productivity is rising or declining or who on the team has the highest time? Information is shared here. You can even see the utilization, who is overutilized, underutilized, or just at the target of healthy. What about efficiency and focus? This is where it tells you who is low on focus time, who is low on efficiency. It explains by how many hours, minutes, percentage, and breaks it down based on focus, productive, collaboration, and multitask. Data at your fingertips. These insights turn data into actionable steps, helping every individual optimize their day. When people understand their own data, they take ownership of their success. ActivTrak AI helps teams grow smarter, not just faster. At Blue Qubit Consulting, we believe productivity starts with people, and ActivTrak gives them the tools to thrive. Empower your team with insights that inspire action. Go ahead and scan the QR code or select the link in the description box for a one-on-one consultation or a demo for your company today.